Hello, I'm Kaizen and I'm a scammer.
Okay, you can fight me. That that is not a drawing. That is made on a screen. It doesn't.
It's all true. Digital art is a scam. 100% of the time, the computer does it. I've been in silence for almost 12 years, and today I am going to expose digital art. All its secrets, all of its cheats, 100% it's true. The computer does it all. Even the lights I have here right now, a computer did it. My statue over here, computer made it. Pretty much this shirt is made by a computer. Basically, your existence and my existence is 100% done by a computer. So yes, I'm gonna tell you what other digital artists never told you, and I'm gonna expose it all in this video here. First things first, all the stuff you need to pull off the digital artist scam. First you need a graphics. Who am I kidding? You don't need a graphics tablet. You only need a mouse. Besides, again, 100% the computer does it for you in just a click of a button. There's also this tool that you also need, and this is what makes the scam work. There's this brush that you can download and get that does the magic for you. You have been probably have seen this on TikTok. It's prominent on TikTok, probably YouTube as well. I am going to show you guys a link below where you can get this brush, and I'm going to demonstrate what this brush can do, because it's bonkers. It's amazing. It does 100% of the work. No brain needed. So this is Photoshop. This is my preferred program because it's Photoshop. And it's pretty much 100%. If you go to Photoshop, you're 100% legit, no questions asked. So this is a line art that I made because I've been commissioned by a VTuber named Konabi. Great content, great guy, very sweet, sweet, sweet boy. I love his thing. He's very amazing. Go follow him from his Twitch, Twitter, link down below, everything. So he commissioned me for a portrait. Of course, I'm gonna scam him because besides, digital art is 100% made by the computer. So I have the special brushes here, which you guys can get to my store. Because I'm going to expose all of it here. So I used the line art sketch to make a simple sketch of this guy. No details needed. No. Just put the most basic thing. You don't need 100% skills. Again, no brain needed. So just put his simple hair, ear things. I don't know what they are, and bam, that's the line art. Now let us go to the other brush, which is grayscale, because every pro artist uses grayscale of their drawing. So yes, go to that brush, and the AI will start thinking by a millisecond, nanosecond, whatever the fastest second out there, and then a stroke of your brush, slowly, 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 it does the magic for you. Bam, you have now a grayscale painting of your work. But of course, it doesn't end there. Of course, we have to color it. We're 100% scammers making things legit. So go back to your brushette, go to color, and magically, again, the AI will scan it and will detect the colors you need. You don't need to think. And slowly again stroke your brush, and you would see the magic happens, how the computer one does it 100% of the time, and bam, you're done. You're done. This is your piece. You can pass it to your client. If I were you, I would sign it, but for this tutorial I won't sign it. Make it legit, put it signed, put the date, and it's legit. You could ask for $200, probably more money that you ever can think of, and that's it. This is digital art exposed, and this is all it. Now I'm gonna ask Konabi to pay me because I'm done. Did it only for a minute. So yeah, that's digital art exposed. It's true, we're scammers, and I have been exposed. Everyone, pretty much all the digital artists would hate me for exposing their secrets. Sorry guys, we have to come clean. I'm really saving you pain and anguish. So yeah, some people would go to art school so they could say we're legit. I even go to art school just to scam people. So yes, 100% the computer does the work. That is our slogan. Uh, so yeah, that's much. It's just you and me. Um, the secret should not go outside between you and me or in the art community. So just let's just keep us our thing, so we could still scam people for more money. So yeah, hope you like this video. I hope you find this video funny and historical, because it is. Of course, art is. Of course, digital art is real art. Come on, this is like a funny video, but I'll let your cojones decide for that. So please don't forget to like, subscribe for this channel. Don't forget to appreciate this awesomeness and other videos I have in this channel. Why I'm doing this. So yeah, have a great day. Stay awesome, guys. I love you all.